Just a rainy Monday, sitting at our table. 2 cups and an empty chair. You'll be gone till Sunday, everything's unstable. I was unprepared. Colors.
Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. If you're new here, I'm Caroline. I do homemaking videos, cooking and lifestyle. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So guys, we are starting off by making some breakfast, and I'm making a sandwich using these King's Meal buns. They are really delicious, and we also have a lot to do today, so stick around until the end of the video. Do not forget to like, share and comment down below.
Don't look quite the same, and the wind keeps whispering your name. If the world looks different, then it's you to blame. Oh yeah. So I count the minutes, I count the days, I count the stars and all the ways I feel your touch when you'll be back to stay. Oh yeah. Call you every night, I say that I'm alright, but oh, I miss you. Oh, see you in my dreams. It's torture as it seems, but oh, I miss you. Walking through our city, so much I want to show you. Say your jokes inside my head. Life is much less pretty when I live it without you. It's like you once said, the colors don't look quite the same, and the wind keeps whispering your name. If the world looks different, then it's you to blame. Oh yeah. So I count the minutes, I count the days, I count the stars and all the ways I feel your touch when you'll be back to stay. Oh yeah. Call you every night, I say that I'm alright, but oh, I miss you. Oh, see you in my dreams. It's torture as it seems, but oh, I miss you. Miss you. Make me blue, and I'm missing you. Miss you. Make me blue, and I'm missing you. Tell me that you want me, tell me that you need me. Nothing is the same when you are not with me.
So guys, this was me on my way to Isili to run an errand for a client. A client wanted me to buy her a carpet, and this is the Bazaar Plaza in Isili. They had 50% off. For every carpet you buy, you pay half the price. And this was me choosing and sending her photos, and she settled. She finally settled for that gray with patches of black, this one here, and that's what I got for her.
I'm missing you. Tell me that you want me, tell me that you need me. Nothing is the same when you are not with me. I'm missing you. Call you every night, I say that I'm alright, but oh, I'm missing you. See you in my dreams. It's torture as it seems, but oh, I'm missing you. Missing you. Make me blue. You make me blue. I'm missing you. You make me blue. Missing you. Make me blue. You know I'm missing you.
I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. You did it all while leaving me in the dark. I try so hard to be what you need. If you're into the finer things, well, maybe we should let this fall apart. 'Cause I feel so stupid for falling
right. She's got roses on her mind. Watch them grow wherever she wants to go. Never picking up her phone. She adores being alone. Whoa, and they say Juliet, when is she coming around? She ever settling down? They don't know Juliet. She never wants to be found. Too young for settling down. She's running with wind in her hair. Can't try to keep her back there, day and night. Chasing like she's a hurricane without warning. A dance in the storm as it's pouring, day and night. Chasing all the many lives of Juliet. Starstruck eyes, she's a rebel in disguise. Couldn't see it if you tried. It's so neatly wrapped inside. She's just like her mother's mother. A hit strong, hit first diver. Daughter floats like a butterfly, stings like a bee. She's tame as a river and wild as a sea. Oh, running with wind in her hair. Can't try to keep her back there, day and night. Chasing like she's a hurricane without warning. A dance in the storm as it's pouring, day and night. Chasing all the many lives of Juliet. Juliet, her sparkling silhouette. You never will forget the moment your eyes met. Oh, Juliet, her heart's not taken yet. Terrified of regret. So closer, know she will let go. Juliet, when is she coming around? She ever settling down? I don't know. Juliet, she never wants to be found. Too young for settling down. She's running with wind in her hair. Can't try to keep her back there, day and night. Chasing like she's a hurricane without warning. A dance in the storm as it's pouring, day and night. Chasing all the many lives of Juliet. On a midnight train on a red-eye flight. Catch a glimpse of her dress and she's out of sight. With her headphones on and her hopes so high. It's the many lives of Juliet. On an afternoon at a small cafe. Diving into books on a rainy day. With her headphones on and her hopes so high. It's the many lives of Juliet. On a midnight train on a red-eye flight. Catch a glimpse of her dress and she's out of sight. With her headphones on and her hopes so high. It's the many lives of Juliet.
message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you. saying I'm sorry. I guess you never really know what somebody's gonna do when they get lonely. You found somebody better than me to take care of your insecurities. You did it all while leaving me in the dark. I try so hard to be what you need. If you're into the finer things, well, maybe we should let this fall apart. 'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you. Should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one-night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But now my heart's on my sleeve and I'm in too deep. But you're not thinking twice about me. I wrote a message in my notes that I'm never gonna send to you, saying how I feel if you only knew. We wrote down every old cliche, a four-letter word in 100 ways, and reality hit me in the face. 'Cause I feel so stupid for falling for you. Should've listened to my friends when they told me not to. They said you're nothing but a one-night stand, trip to Candyland. If you get too close, then you might understand. But now my heart's on my sleeve and I'm in too deep. But you're not thinking twice about me. What if it goes wrong? What if it goes right? What if these things I'm saying make you change your mind? Never been one to cry. I can't stop the tears raining down from my eyes. No, 'cause I feel so stupid for falling for you.